Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to crop out contour surface in the basic AutoCAD. So I've got a request as regard to one of my last previous video. I showed on how to crop contour surface using the Civil 3D. However, the inbuilt tool in Civil 3D is not available in the basic AutoCAD, but there is another method you can make use using the basic AutoCAD. So just like what you can see, so you can see that there are multiple contour lines exceeding the boundary line, and you can see that you can automate it immediately, and you can see it's cropped out. So I'm just going to show everyone on how I achieve that in the GIF. So it's an already existing command, and if you have actually interpolated your contour from the software work environment and you have exported as DXF and import it into the AutoCAD Civil 3D, this video is actually for you. So what you have to do first is to overlay your boundary line, that is your perimeter of your property. You copy, come to your contour surface, you right click, then you come to clipboard and paste to original coordinate. You will see your boundary of the project area overlaid on the contour surface. Then you select, I'm just going to make this visible to be very visible, and I'll make it the professional color for boundary line, which is red. Alright, so this is visible enough. So the best command to make use of, as the inbuilt tool is not available in the basic AutoCAD, you make use of the Extrim command. So you just type EXT, you see the options displaying, then you can scroll down to Extreme, you click on that. It will ask you to select objects, so you select the boundary line of your project site. After you select that, it will ask you to specify the side you want to trim. So therefore, if you click inside of this project site, it is going to delete all of the contour surface within, leaving the exterior contour lines. But if you click outside of the project boundary area, it is going to crop out all of this. It's going to delete all of the extended contour lines from the boundary. So you select outside of the property line. So you'll find out that automatically all of the contour lines that exceed or crosses the boundary line has been deleted. This that you are seeing did not cross the boundary line, so it is just outside of it. So you can just manually select that, and also this one here, and you click on delete to delete that. So this is how to automatically crop contour surface in the basic AutoCAD using the Extreme command. So therefore it is easy to use. So in case you do not have the Civil 3D application, and what you have is the basic AutoCAD, you can go ahead to make use of this command as illustrated in this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.